Hi everyone, my name is Amrit and I am from Nepal. I'm going to demonstrate my project 1 for STEMpedia's AI Bootcamp, which is for face detection. And for this project, I have used the face detection module from PictoBlox on a very famous 2014 Oscar selfie. For this project, I've done it in two steps. The first step is to train the AI using existing pictures of the celebrities. So I've used two photos of each celebrity: Kevin Spacey, Meryl Streep, Angelina Jolie, so like that. So first I train the AI using those existing photos. Then later the AI analyzes images from the main selfie photo, this one. And later I compare the image extracted from the main selfie and then the data that was stored by the AI during the training process. And by comparing, I try to find the AI tries to find if the earlier trained faces are present in this selfie. So first, what I've done is I've stored names of these celebrities uh, in a list so that I can use that later on. Then for all the names in the list, so for the 10 names, I use the celebrities photos. For example, Kevin Spacey, I look at these two photos of Kevin Spacey, then add class as the name Kevin Spacey into the AI data. So that's how training is done, basically using this add class method that is present in PictoBlox. Then later, when the main selfie comes up, I use this do face matching and then analyze image from stage method, which finds some number of faces in the photo. Let's say it finds 9 faces in the photos. Then for all the 9 faces, what I do is I get some values, some data of those faces like width, X position, Y position, the class of the face, and the expression of the face. And then using this data, I show in on the photo itself the name and also the expression uh, of the face from the data that was detected by the AI. So let's see a demo. So when I click start, it starts training first using the existing photos. So it is training these photos as Kevin Spacey's photos and again Meryl Streep's photos. So similarly it trains all the 10 photos of the existing celebrities and stores them as classes, which is the name given by PictoBlox for those trained uh, data name. So now it will detect the faces in the selfie photo. So it has detected some faces. Now using those faces and comparing with the early data, it will now try to find out the name of the faces, also the expression. So unknown, that means it couldn't find. Ellen was happy, Meryl is happy. So almost everyone is happy here, and some of the photos couldn't be detected. For example, Channing Tatum and Angelina Jolie's photos couldn't be detected by the AI because their um, face is either blurred or half. Um, so this is it. I use the AI module, face detection module in PictoBlox to detect the faces in the Oscars selfie. Thank you, everyone.